Hey everyone, so I got this 13x6 water wave balayage highlighted unit from Megalook hair. Let's go ahead and do the install. Alright, so I bleached the knots earlier and I used this hair color that I just keep for whenever I mess up on over bleaching. And this is looking pretty seamless. Like, this is from Megalook hair, by the way, and I just finished doing that. I'm letting it sit for a little bit and I'm gonna wash it out and then hopefully get this review done tonight. And this hair quality is beautiful. It's so soft, and I feel like brushed out it's gonna look super natural and super cute and pretty. But I really wanted to make sure I bleach, you know, all of the knots, especially for this middle part right over here. Okay, so this is the aftermath after I bleached the knots. Everything looks really seamless. I actually used a lace tint on this as well. And now it's time to use my lace bonding spray to lay everything down. I'm using my blow dryer and a fine tooth comb and just making sure that it lays. After that, I'm gonna go in and do the baby hairs. I don't do too much. I literally just do it on the temples of my head. And I also use a bonding spray just to make sure that everything continues to also lay down. And this is the aftermath. Look how realistic this wig looks. It looks so good. It lays really flat at the top, which I love. Honestly, the quality of this unit is amazing. Just look at that. I did over bleach a little bit, but it still looks good. And now onto the review. Hi guys, I'm back with a new video. I literally just did a full install on this unit. I actually went in and I bleached the knots and everything, and we're good to go. So Megalook hair sent me this like really cool highlighted kinky curly unit. I have to look at the specs of this, but just look at how realistic this wig looks. I already showed y'all in the beginning, but I absolutely love the way how far the part goes. I like how natural everything is looking and how flat that the unit lays. I actually did go in and kind of cut in the front or layered it in the front so that it went with my face shape, all that good stuff. And I want to go into the specs of this wig. I did experience a tiny bit of shedding, but it is curly hair, so it makes sense. I like it to look a little bit frizzy because it looks more natural. And for me, I like really big hair because I think that it goes well with my features. And I have to say, I absolutely love the blonde streaks in here. Like, it just looks so pretty. Like, this looks really, really good. Again, I did go in and I had to bleach the knots just because the knots just come normally looking a little bit, I guess, black, like how most wigs are. And if you want a really natural look, I do suggest bleaching the knots. I did a little bit of plucking on this wig, not too much. I honestly could do more right in this area, but other than that, I think it's looking pretty good, especially with the baby hairs and stuff like that. It's looking pretty nice. Again, I do like how flat this lays. I do prefer my middle parts for wigs like this. For some reason, I think that middle parts just suit me the best. And honestly, Megalook hair did a really good job on the quality of this wig. I actually like it a lot. Let's go ahead and get into the specs of this unit. All right, so this is their water wave. So this is their 13x6 lace frontal. As y'all can see, it goes back really, really far. I love the parting space because it makes everything look really natural. And it's their balayage. I'm pretty sure, oh, it's 24 inches. So I'm gonna show y'all how this hair looks from the side and then also in the back. This side as well. Far, everything goes down. Obviously, if it's stretched out, it would be at my waist. It is 24 inches. It's a lot of hair going on. I don't know the density of this wig. Let me see if she put the density here for me to see. It's 200% density, so this is a lot of hair. It's very, very thick. I'm really excited to see the price of this unit because, again, there's so much hair. Lace quality is good, it's durable, and if you customize it right, it can look really, really pretty. 13x6 lace frontal balayage highlighted wig with transparent HD lace, 24 inches, $296.90. That's not bad at all. This is a really, really good price for a unit like this. I'm actually shocked It's under $300 and you're getting this much hair, especially if you know how to customize it correctly. You will have a really, really nice wig for summertime and spring, you know, for that. And also in my video where I was playing guitar recently, I had a few comments of people saying that they liked this wig on me. That was my first kind of reveal unit, and the pictures that I took in this are so pretty. And they also take Afterpay, so it would be $74.23 every couple of weeks. Same thing with Klarna, so you're able to split your payments on this unit as well. This already came in with a sewn-in elastic band, so you don't have to buy one yourself. And yeah, it was really easy to bleach the knots on this wig. I would say for this unit, I would give it an 8 out of 10, just because after I bleached the knots, it was really easy to style, and I forgot how much I liked, you know, curlier, wavier units. The frizz, which I like for that more natural quality, and again, the big hair looks really nice. I didn't really have to layer it that much, but I like my bangs to be a little bit shorter in the front, so I went ahead and did that as well, and here we have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the link down to this wig from Megalook below, and let me know what you guys think about this hair review, because I feel like they did a really, really good job, and styling it was really, really fun. I think it came out really cute. And I also have a little mini install on TikTok as well, so be sure to go ahead and follow my TikTok at Tima Loves Lemons, and let me know what you guys also think about it. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.